Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your OKX to your bank account. And this is how we're going to sell crypto and then cash it out. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So currently we are right now on the main page of OKX. From here we're going to go to our portfolio on the bottom right. Now as you can see we have our cash and then we have our crypto holdings. So what we're going to do is first start with our cryptocurrencies, where we're going to click on it, and then from here we're going to click on sell. So once you sell it, it's going to turn to whatever cash or currency that you might want. So if you have it in euros and now you have your deposit ready, all you have to do is simply click on withdraw, and then from here it will give you two options to either withdraw crypto or withdraw cash. And since you have sold your cryptocurrencies already, simply click on withdraw cash, and then it will show up with this page where you have to connect your bank account to an international wire transfer, either in USD or in euros. And then from here, all you have to do is simply click on the add account, and then from here, you're going to verify your bank account and add your details to verify your identity. Once you're done with that, you're going to add your IBAN number and then simply select however much amount of money you would like to withdraw to your bank account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.